Well, it's a windy morning, and the geese and the ducks are both taking shelter behind the trees down here. Well, it's a windy morning, and the ducks and now you can even hear me the wind blowing. But we'll give it a shot. So there you go. Ducks are hanging right on the shore there. Sebastian, you're going to have to do something noteworthy this morning, or the ducks and the geese are going to have all the video for today. All you can do is smell of the grass. You ain't even found a squirrel to chase yet. Is there a squirrel around here somewhere? You looked up when I said that, huh? There might be a squirrel. Let's go see if we can find a squirrel. Here. Go get them geese. Is that what you was after? What are you after? Get something. Go get something. Is there a squirrel? Go get him. Go get the squirrel. Where's he at? Get in there and get him. Where is that squirrel? I don't see him. Do you smell him? I don't know how you could smell him with the wind blowing as hard as it is. Oh, man. To quote Sergeant Hulka from Stripes, I'm getting too old for this shit. Not really. Me and Sebastian enjoy our morning walk. Well, Sebastian couldn't find a squirrel to chase this morning, but some other dog left his toy, so that's something he can chase. Come here. Come on. Here, this way. Go get it. See, it's not quite as good as a squirrel, but it's the next best thing. He finds toys in the park ever so often. I don't know why other doggies go off and leave their toys, but whatever. He said he'll take it. Yes, he said he'll take it. Come on. Go get it. Hang on. Well, that wasn't much of a throw, was it, Sebastian? No. Hang on, I'll see if I can do a better throw for you this time. You give me that thing so I can throw it. You stinker. Give me that thing, I want to throw it. You're a stinker. All right, go get it. All right, bring your toy, let's walk. Come on, let's walk. Bring your toy. Bring your toy. There you go. Bring the toy. Here, grab the, well, that'll work. However you want to carry it. Here, hand it to me. I'll carry it for you. Come on, let's walk. You got a new toy to take home now. Yes, you do. Quit thinking about the toy. Let's walk. Forget the toy. Let's walk. Well, as you can see, he ain't interested in walking. He wants that toy. Come on. We got to walk before the rain hits.